So I am Roel Gerhardis, and I was born in Holland, Michigan, which is up near Cedar Rapids. And then I don't remember much of that. I moved to Wichita, Kansas when I was 3, and that's where I've lived for my entire life basically. So that's where I'm from. And now, obviously, I live here in my dorm, which so far I like it here quite a bit. And so I used to work at Freddy's, so I'm really good at making burgers and fries and all that. So if we ever want to have a cookout with the class, I can help out. But no, actually, I mean I did, but that's not helpful. So I did used to work for a company called Donlinger Construction, and I worked there for a couple summers. I worked on a quick trip, on some bridges, and then just some other various buildings. And I actually really enjoyed that, at least some days when it wasn't blazing hot. And I did a lot of concrete work with that, rebar, everything, whatever. And so I'm actually really intrigued by the bridges, and I think those are really cool. And that is what brought me to working, or that's what kind of got me interested in civil engineering. But in the end, after going back and forth between civil and mechanical, I decided that I would rather do mechanical just because of the more broad range of job opportunities. So that's what I'm going with. And also, I like to believe that I'm good at math. I always have been, and I think I still am. I'm currently in Calc 2 and doing all right in it. And I'm also good at working in teams and just delegating who does what work, and just, yeah. Um, I've also taken some classes that could be helpful or that give me some helpful knowledge. I took a civil engineering class in high school where we framed walls, and we messed with wood and a bunch of stuff. And I took DE, or digital electronics, where we worked with circuits and logic gates and wiring and all that, and that was pretty cool actually. And then I took design in high school, which isn't quite design in college, but. And then for the most encouraging thing that I think is going on lately is honestly just being at Mines. I know that being here is an opportunity that not a lot of kids get, and I'm very thankful to be here. And I think that the simple fact of being here is what's going to push me to work my hardest. And yeah, that's me.